just got home from picking up a grocery order. I'm gonna go ahead and make the punch for Sissy's birthday supper tonight. That way it can be already done and all the flavors can be blending together. So I put a little bit of water in here because I just got this pitcher and I needed to see where this, needed to be. This is a sparkling pineapple punch. We're gonna put this whole can of 100% pineapple juice in there. I'm gonna put in 4 cans of lime sparkling water. We just have the Better Goods lime. You can use club soda and lime juice. I'm thinking we might need 5 or 6 cans. We'll see when we get these 4 in here if we need a couple more. I got a case of them, so. Can you go get me one, Manny? Bring 2 more just in case. Yeah. Because I want it to be to about right here before we add the other stuff in. We're going to add frozen pineapple. This is what's going to make it cold. And it'll give it some more flavor. And some frozen dragon fruit. And then we're going to put just a few little mint leaves in there.
Are you not going to help you?
Yeah. So we've got 6 cans total. I'm not sure how much this pitcher holds.
Yeah, here comes the mammy train.
Okay, you pour this one in for me, okay?
Okay. It's kind of hard to get
Can
up.
you reach it? You might have to stand up. There you go.
The whole entire can?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, I think those 6 are good. Now we'll stir that together. Can you stir it?
Yeah.
Just like that. Reach down.
Oh, it smells
Smell it? What's it smell like?
like normal. How
Okay.
it normally smells. Remember when we made some of this?
Yeah, we make a pineapple punch on New Year's, don't we?
Yeah.
This one's different though.
Yeah, it's going to taste
This is a
different.
birthday special party punch. Okay, here come the frozen pineapples. Ready?
Yeah, it seems like we got to crush them up. And then we got to blend it.
No, we're not going to blend it. They're just going to float around in there.
Got it.
Now we're going to put the dragon fruit. This is going to make it pretty. We'll see if it makes it a pretty color or
It's not.
not. It'll still taste good no matter what color it is, but we'll see.
Yeah. Will these be also kind of like the ice?
Yeah.
Oh, it's turning red.
Oh, it already turned. Oh, yay, we have pink. It's pinkish purplish.
Yeah.
That's good.
There's pink on the top.
Good that it's not brown. That would have not been good.
Yeah.
Just a couple of them. Go ahead. I'm just holding it for you.
Yeah.
There you go.
That'll be
Okay, should we see what it tastes like?
good. Yeah.
It's pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, let's put it on the cork. Can I push it in?
Yep, push it all the way on there.
I think I can punch it on there.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Yeah.
Punch is ready.
Mom, is this one mine?
I think so, yeah.
Look, see on the ice?
Mm-hmm.
Is that one mine?
I think so. They all the same. I forgot to show y'all yesterday that I have banana peppers coming right here. Excited about those. They're supposed to be hot. We'll see. My black cherry tomatoes are doing good. We've got a couple here, there, a bunch of them coming right there. Some up under there. It needs a cage though. I gotta get a cage for it. I forgot and left this bowl out here and look at how much rainwater it caught.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot of rain. And there's a little bug in there. I'll go ahead and give you some of that. We'll just keep that in there so we can monitor how much rainwater is going in. It's a what?
Bullfrog.
Oh, he's a happy one.
Yeah.
Name him Hoppy.
Happy.
No.
He jumped down there.
I'm gonna go ahead and make the cucumber salad that we're having with supper tonight. We're having steaks, hot dogs, cucumber salad, watermelon. I have chips. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna do some kind of potatoes in the air fryer. Yeah, we'll do some potato wedges in the air fryer. I'm gonna go ahead and make the cucumber salad first so we can get it in the refrigerator. And then we'll start the potatoes. We're waiting on everybody else to get home, so we've got time to start the potatoes later. We're gonna use a red onion for this cucumber salad. Now the onion, the red onion makes it pretty. We'll put some salt and pepper. About a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil. I almost forgot, I'm gonna add a few of these tomatoes. I love these little orange ones. I'm just gonna cut them in half. There we go. Just a little apple cider vinegar, about a tablespoon and a half. We'll stir all of that together. I'm putting just a little bit of honey in there. That's it. Okay, so I'll just cover this and put it in the refrigerator. And then I'll go ahead and slice up the watermelon. We have a little bit of leftover coffee from this morning in the French press. So we're gonna make this little thing. We saw the milkshake man make it. It might be a little bit too much coffee. I don't know. We're gonna go with that. We're just gonna add some heavy cream to it. I'm about to make some more coffee in the French press too, so I've got some water going over here. We're gonna put in a little bit of maple syrup. Okay, let me get the coffee going here so it can be ready for us. Okay, so we got our coffee in there. This is just some fresh ground coffee beans that I ground up over there a minute ago. Okay, so we'll let that sit for about 4 minutes. Now, we're gonna finish with our coffee. That we just have the coffee and maple syrup in here right now. We're gonna put this heavy cream. I'm gonna try this with my frother. This is new. I'm gonna try this with my frother. If I have to, we'll put it in the KitchenAid. I think right there will be good. Now we're just gonna froth it.
These two socks are good, right?
Yes.
I don't like that.
The milkshake man shook his, well, he said shake for 3 to 5 minutes. So, and then he squeezed it out of the Coke bottle, and it was just, he just had it just like this. We're actually gonna put a little bit of this on top of coffee. This might be a little too much for this frother to handle. That's why I said if I have to, I'll put it in the KitchenAid. But I'm hoping it can do the job. We're gonna pour some of this into here because we don't have enough room. It's good. So I poured, you know, I made a lot. I didn't mean to make that much. I got excited. I watched the milkshake man, but I didn't pay attention to his measurements, which he made about as much as I have in here now, and just put it into like a little, I can't remember if he put it in a coffee mug or like a dessert cup. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. We call him the milkshake man. His channel is actually the White Elephant, but we call him the Milkshake Man because of Milkshake Monday. We're not doing this exactly like he did it. Like I said, we're just gonna use it as like a topping for the coffee, and we're gonna put a few dark chocolate shavings on top of it. We'll save this. We can just, you know, froth it some more in the morning. Can you grab me a lid for that, Sissy?
Yes.
Okay, see how thick it's getting? I just splattered it everywhere. That's fine. I think we're done. Now we'll press the coffee. There's that. Now we'll take our chocolate. We'll just grate this over the top like that. And there we go. Fancy little coffee drink. That's pretty.
Moss bucks. Moss bucks. I'm not even kidding you.
Yeah.
That drink should be out there for other people to enjoy.
Froth maple, okay. Frothed maple cream.
You gotta go to Moss
MOSSuccino.
bucks.
MOSSuccino.
It's a MOSSuccino. This is a MOSSuccino, folks.
It's good.